Hello, today we're going to talk about the Sinergy family. Do you want to protect your car paint and get amazing shine without making things complicated? Check this out. This is Sinergy Paint, a spray coating that's super easy to apply but delivers true professional results. It provides up to 12 months of protection, creating a strong and highly water-repellent layer. Thanks to Vonixx's exclusive Carbosiloxy technology, carbon and silicone work together to form a durable coating with a quick curing time. On top of protection, it reduces friction. It helps to minimize light scratches and leaves a deep, glossy finish that really stands out. Application is simple. First, make sure the paint is clean and completely dry. Then, apply a small amount of Sinergy paint onto a clean, dry microfiber towel. Spread it over small sections about 2 by 2 feet, using straight and even movements. Let the product sit for just about 10 seconds. Then, buff it off with another clean, dry microfiber towel. And repeat the process section by section until the whole car is done. Finally, let the product cure for about 60 minutes to ensure maximum protection. That's Sinergy Paint. Easy application, long-lasting protection, and an outstanding shine. Continuing on with the Sinergy family, do you want your car plastic surface to look new for much longer? Check this out. This is Sinergy Plastic Spray Coating, a water-based protector designed to care for and protect plastic surfaces with high performance. The formula combines carbon and silicone working together to deliver long-lasting protection. On interior plastics, it can protect for up to 3 years, and on exterior plastics for up to 5 months. All of this is possible thanks to Carbosiloxy, which is an exclusive Vonixx technology that improves adhesion to plastic surfaces and boosts durability. Application couldn't be easier. First, make sure the plastic surface is clean and completely dry. Then, apply a small amount of Sinergy Plastic directly onto the surface or onto a microfiber towel and spread evenly. Right after that, finish with a second clean, dry microfiber towel to get an even finish with no streaks or excess product. Repeat the process until the entire surface is covered. And finally, let the product sit for about 60 minutes to ensure maximum protection. That's Sinergy Plastic. It's easy application, professional finish, and long-lasting protection. Talking about the Sinergy family, do you want your wheels to stay protected and looking clean for months? Then this is for you, because this is Sinergy Wheel, an easy-to-apply spray coating designed to protect wheels for up to 6 months. It features Vonixx's exclusive Carbosiloxy technology, where carbon and silicone work together to create a strong, super water-repellent layer with very quick curing time. What really makes Sinergy Wheel stand out? It's long carbon chain technology. That means better resistance to high temperatures, especially the heat from the brakes that goes straight to the wheels. So even under tough driving conditions, your wheels stay protected. Using it is really quick and simple. First, make sure the wheel is completely clean and dry. This is very important. Then, spray a small amount directly onto the metal surface. A little goes a long way. Finish by spreading it evenly with a clean, dry microfiber towel. In just a few minutes, your wheels get protection, strong water repellency, and a clean, well-maintained look that lasts. That's Sinergy Wheel. Advanced technology, easy application, and long-lasting protection.